we're getting ready to make some of the best tasting coleslaw you have ever tasted. So we need 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of diced onions, 1/2 teaspoon of poppy seeds. We need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We need 1/3 cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2/3 cup of salad dressing, Miracle Whip. So we'll get another bowl and we're gonna add the Miracle Whip and all the ingredients and get this all mixed up and well incorporated. Now we buy the pre-mixed cabbage with carrots, and I believe it has some purple coleslaw in it. And then we make our own coleslaw dressing. And this is probably the best tasting coleslaw dressing I have ever tasted. It's a sweet coleslaw dressing. I like it restaurant style. And some people like it vinegary taste, a more tangy taste. But I like the sweet taste of the coleslaw. Now, anytime we're smoking ribs or brisket or making pulled pork, I'll tell you, this is what we make to go with it. Now, once we get all them ingredients inside that bowl, we'll take that manual KitchenAid there and just kind of start mixing everything together. Get it all well incorporated and get that cabbage over here and start mixing it and all in there. Now, once you get this all mixed in, set it in the refrigerator so it can chill. And it also gives it time for the sugars and salts to dissolve. And man, when you get ready to have it for your supper or lunch or whatever, it will be good. Now this recipe is for 1 16-ounce bag of coleslaw. Now when you buy the coleslaw mix in the package with your carrots and cabbage pre-mixed, just make sure you get an expiration date that gives you at least 4 or 5 days, but use it within 2, maybe 3 days. Hey, if you like one of those other videos that popped up there on the screen, click on it and I'll meet you there.